One
My man, what's up?
Nah, fine, no.
This way, now.
I'm fine, my brother.
Why are you so excited? What did happen?
My brother, what God cannot do does not exist.
When did you become?
I got a job. Oh, that's what I'm trying to
Wow, congratulations. I'm happy for you, thank God.
Thank you,
Are you
thank you.
serious?
And you see, this job is the kind of job I've been looking for all my life. I've been praying, fasting for this same job. And God just gave it to me like that. Too. Like that, my brother.
You mean you got a job in an oil company?
This guy, no. It's not oil company. I got a job as a gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper?
Mm-hmm.
Gateman?
It's the same thing. Gateman, gatekeeper.
So you got a job as a gateman in the palace and you're happy?